Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see this one to find the value of this one. So now what will you do? We'll go in the reverse order. So now let us see you can see there are many roots in it. So now let us start from here. So now if the last part of it, so if I want to remove the root of it, so what am I going to write here? 2 raised to 1 by 2. So this is for this one. And these rest all are the same. So this will go along with this one and this the same. So now what we can do here, we can see here there is nothing over here, means that is 1. So 1 plus 1, but we have the rule a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n. So what we can do, 1 plus 1 by 2, we'll write here, rest all same. So this 1 plus 1 by 2 means if we take the LCM 1 plus 1 by 2, so LCM is 2. So what we will do, here is 1 multiplied by 2. So 2 plus 1, that is going to be 3 by 2. So for this part, this is 3 by 2. Rest all the same. Now what we can do, now we'll remove this root. So what will happen here? This 2 raised to 3 by 2 is as it is, and this will be 1 by 2 over here. Rest all are going to be the same. So now let us look here. This we have the rule a raised to m raised to n, that will be a raised to mn. So what we can do here, 3 by 4. So this is 3 by 4 and this 2 as it is and the root and this all as it is. So what we can do again, what we can see, this is 1 plus 3 by 4. So we'll write here 1 plus 3 by 4 and the root is the same. So now 1 plus 3 by 4. So 1 plus 3 by 4, the LCM is 4. So here is 1. So here multiply by 4. This also should be multiplied by 4. So 4 plus 3, that is going to be 7 by 4. So here this is 7 by 4 and this 2 as it is. The root same as it is. This all the same. So now again what will you do? We'll remove this root. So this will be the same first. And again this, because we are going to remove this root, that is going to be 1 by 2. So now what will happen here? 7 ones are and 1, that will be 7 and this is going to be 8. So this whole part is going to be 2 raised to 7 by 8 and this all the same. So now again what we can see, this is 1 plus 7 by 8, 1 plus 7 by 8, that is going to be, here should be 1. So LCM is 8. So here 8 plus 7, that is going to be 15 by 8. Rest all the same. So now again we'll remove this root. So what will happen here? That will be 1 by 2. This will be the same. So what we can do here, 15 ones are and this will be 16. So here we can write here for this one, this part we can write here 2 raised to 15 by 16 and this is going to be the same. So now again this is 1. So 1 plus 15 by 16. The LCM is 16. So 16 and this is 16. 16 plus 15, that is going to be 31. So 31 by 16 for this part. So now again we will remove this root. So what will happen here? 2 raised to 31 by 16 raised to 1 by 2. So that is going to be 31 ones are 31 and 16 twos are 32. So this is the final answer, that is 31 by 2 raised to 31 by 32. So by this one we have completed today's work. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.